Work description, permit address, and permit number. The house address should be visible. All the water lines in the attic should be properly secured. Pegs no more than 32 inches apart. In this case, there is a lot of piping that have not been secured up in the attic. Thermal expansion device on the cold side, could be an expansion tank or any other device that's approved. Ball valve on the cold side, show the TMP discharge location. All the existing water lines should be permanently sealed or capped off. Please show the water heater size in case you're replacing the water heater. Water hammer arresters on the wash machine. All pipes should be exposed, valves should be exposed. Seal and caulk around the tub. Water hammer arrestor for the dishwasher. Pipes should be protected from sheetrock or when it's being nailed back so the screws do not penetrate the pipe with nail plates. Vacuum breakers must be installed in all hose bibs, and any penetration going through the outside block wall should be sealed and waterproofed. Any CPVC pipe or any plastic pipe on the outside of the building must be protected from the UV. The main shut-off valve to the house should be in an accessible location. Again, vacuum breakers, old pipes to be sealed.